So this is the woman that built that house just herself. MayMay. Mo ang imong bana mo anhi Andre. She's separated from her boyfriend, but she has 2 children from her. What nya ang imong kuan ga? Imong panginabuhi. So she just do her means of living is just do manual work, like fetch water for other people or fetch sand and gravel for other people. But she has 2 little children. What you're looking at here is that typical Filipino bahay kubo that you will see that most of the foreigners will feel sorry, but you can see that they're happy living in this kind of situation. In fact, you won't believe it, but this house is made by the daughter who's already married. She just does this herself. She does this herself. And she had 2 children that live here. But now you can see, look, she's living here, and she even have her own little kitchen. But they're happy to live like this because they are trying to avoid this her kitchen mortgages. Like her husband is only a construction worker, and so people will think that, oh, they're living in such poverty, but it seems to be a choice because these people here, this is the family of 15, have big lands in the provinces, but they choose to live here in the city. So their walls are made of bamboos, and the parents live on the front. So this is like bamboo walls. And her parents is here. This is their kitchen. And see, you can imagine that if you're inclined to manipulate situations like this and ask donations, because you can see how sorry they are living compared to the Western standard, they'll be knocking on your hearts to donate. But these people are proud of themselves. They work hard, but they do have, like I said, they do have lots, big lands in the provinces, but they choose to live here. Another extension that they have is up there. Pero kani si Jonathan nagay mo ani no. Niga ni mo may uy. This is the woman that made that house. MayMay. So, since I told you there's a family of 15, they had another bahay kubo here on the top. But it's the same make. So some of the children are sleeping here, and the smaller children sleeps here on the down here near the road. So you can see there's a lot of people living like this. They're just they don't have mortgages. They live simply, no electricity. Their electric, by the way, is this light from the electric post. Wala kay kurente diya may no. Kani mong kurente. So this is So what she's saying, this is their only light at night is this electric post. Now you can imagine how other YouTubers will manipulate this kind of situation. So that's the electric post, and that's her house. So that's her light at night. Pero di ka magbutang dito. So may kay ngit-ngit kay so. So her her light at night is made of kerosene lamps. So this is the woman that built that house just herself. MayMay. Mo ang imong bana mo anhi Andre. She's separated from her boyfriend, but she has 2 children from her. Wala nya ang imong kuan ga, imong panginabuhi. So she just do her means of living is just do manual work like fetch water for other people or fetch sand and gravel for other people. But she has two little children. Pila edad si mong kamagwangan may?
Kuan ma'am, coming 3,
3.
coming 1.
La, so 3 and 1 is the age of the children. So you can see that she's very hardworking. She's now washing clothes for someone else as well. I do also make her wash my clothes so she can earn. So this is the kind of situation that someone can manipulate. But there is more to the story than just, it's not that nobody is helping them. They used to have help from the DSWD. But the trouble is, their father will stop working if there's someone else is helping. They will just stay home and drink and gamble. So it's better that the DSWD themselves stop assisting them. Then they go out and work. So MayMay is one of the children, one of the eldest. Ikay kamagwangan may no? So MayMay is the eldest of the 15 children lot.